Today we are going to talk about the most famous general in history known as Alexander the Great. Alexander was born in 356 BC to King Philip II of Macedonia in Greece. His father was known for his military genius and plans for expansion into the east. In early life, Alexander received multifaceted education, which also included interaction with Aristotle, who left a lasting impact on his personality. As he came of age, he distinguished himself in the battlefield by consolidating his rule within and across Macedonia. But his ambitious plans was to conquer Persia, to which they had been paying tribute for keeping away from their attacks. In the year 334 BC, Alexander crossed over to Asia Minor, present-day Turkey, where he faced the Persian army for the first time and defeated them. This victory marked the beginning of a series of conquests by Alexander into the east that went up to the heart of the Persian Empire. In the year 333 BC, Alexander ultimately confronted Darius III, the famous Persian king, in the Battle of Issus, and there he defeated him decisively. This triumph allowed him to press further into Persian territories up to Egypt. In the year 331 BC, Alexander founded the city of Alexandria in Egypt and was declared pharaoh by the people of Egypt. Then he advanced further and finally defeated Darius III and captured the throne of Persia. In the next few years, Alexander continued his conquests into Central Asia and subcontinent, where he fought with Porus, the Indian king, and defeated him in 326 BC. At this stage, the army of Alexander got weary and tired and refused to move forward. Then he turned back and started moving towards Macedonia, where in the way he was inflicted a lethal wound, and in the year 323 BC, he died in Babylon. Alexander's conquests, starting from Macedonia up to India, changed the geopolitical situation and the landscape of the ancient world at that time. Because of this, Alexander is known as one of the greatest generals of all time and has been captioned as Alexander the Great. For his undefeated military career, vastness of his empire, and long-lasting impact, Alexander the Great is considered as one of the most significant historical characters who impacted the course of history and civilization. Stay tuned for further reflections on the journey of civilization and history.